And a common misconception of niacinamide is that it works with every other ingredient, and I feel like that's just cap. What's up guys, it's Brown Liquor here and I am back with another video. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome and you are definitely in the right place. Please subscribe, hit that notification button, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up right now. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you why your niacinamide serum is not working and how to properly use your niacinamide serum. Niacinamide is a multi-purpose skincare ingredient. It is a form of vitamin B3 that is often found in serums, cleansers, toners, essences, face moisturizers, face masks, and so many other products. Now, niacinamide concentration may vary from about 2% to more than 10%. And a common misconception of niacinamide is that it works with every other ingredient. And I feel like that's just cap. In my own experience, I've tried niacinamide with BHA and I've tried it with glycolic acid in the same routine, like in the same regimen, and it just didn't work for me. So I feel like one of the reasons your niacinamide is probably not working or probably not working is because you are using it with other actives, or because you are using a really highly concentrated product. Probably you're using 10% of niacinamide. I would suggest that you start with something like maybe 2% of niacinamide, especially if you have sensitive skin. You start with like 2% of niacinamide or 5% of niacinamide. And even though a lot of people recommend 10% niacinamide, I feel like 5% concentration works just as effectively as 10% of niacinamide. So now, before you use your niacinamide products, you might want to decide when you want to use it. For me, I suggest use it in the morning, since it is an antioxidant and then it helps to control sun damage. Yeah, and I feel like it's not really harsh on the skin, so I feel like you should use it in the morning and then use your exfoliants maybe later in the night. Do you understand? So I'll go by saying the first step before using your niacinamide serum is cleansing your face at any point in time. So if you're using it in the morning, you're going to cleanse with your gel cleanser or any cleanser of your choice. For me, I like to go with my gel cleanser because it's really hydrating and just very gentle. Then after cleansing, you want to go in with your toner, or you might skip your toner. For me, sometimes I use toner, sometimes I don't, as toners are not really compulsory in your skincare regimen. So you might want to skip your toner. After your toner, you might go in with your essence just for extra hydration, and then you go in with your serum. So I'm going to be demonstrating how to use this serum. This is Vita Resource by Tiam. This serum contains about 10% niacinamide and 2% alpha arbutin, which is also a brightening ingredient. So the first thing I'm going to do is to pump a little. Now, a lot of people like use, because this thing is a drop and then you think you can just like take a lot of it. You just need about 3 drops, not like the full is it dropper? I don't know what they call it, but yeah, let's just say dropper. So I'm going to take about 2. I'm not going to be dropping on my hand, I'm going to be demonstrating with my hand. So I'm going to take 2 drops, and then it's a little thick so it doesn't like absorb immediately. So you're just going to pat dry into your skin like so, and then you're going to leave it to absorb into your skin for about a minute or even less than a minute, just to fully absorb, and then you go on with your skincare routine. So now that I've made sure that the serum absorbed into my skin, I'm going to go in with my moisturizer. This is also a hydrating moisturizer, although you can use any moisturizer of your choice. But remember, I said that make sure you are not using your niacinamide with another active. I'm telling you, a lot of people, if you go online, they'll tell you can use niacinamide with BHA, you can use niacinamide with glycolic acid. The only thing you cannot use niacinamide with is vitamin C serum. To me, it's a lie. When you're using actives, not just even niacinamide, when you're using any active in your regimen, please make sure to use them at different times of the day. If you must use them the same day, you can use one in the morning and use the other one at night. So now I'm going to go in with this moisturizer. And after this step, if this is at night, if you're using this serum at night, this is going to be the last step in your regimen. But if you're using it during the day, please make sure you wear your SPF. You can wear your SPF 30. For me, I use an SPF 50, and that's it with your skincare routine. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. If this was helpful to you, please comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.